welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make some super easy and delicious pork ribs in a green salsa. In case you guys want to learn how I make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with the ingredients. So for this recipe you're going to need 2 pounds of ribs. Here I have the country style ribs. You're going to need 1 bunch of cilantro, 6 tomatillos, 6 chile serranos, 1/4 of a white onion, 2 garlic cloves, 2 bay leaves, salt, oregano, and cumin. Now these are our ingredients. Now let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to stir our meat. I already rinsed my ribs and I pat dry them. So they've been sitting in room temperature as well. So I'm going to start by seasoning the ribs with some salt. So just sprinkle it all over the ribs on all sides. Alright guys, so in this pan I'm going to put it on medium-high heat. And I'm going to add some vegetable oil. Just like that. And I'm just going to allow it to get hot so like that we can throw our ribs in there. So once our oil is hot, we're going to add our ribs. So just move it around so like that the ribs don't get stuck to our pot. And we're going to cook them on all sides. We're just going to cook them until they start turning nice and brown and then start flipping them to the other side. We are going to add 2 cups of water. And our 2 bay leaves. And now we're just going to cover them and let that cook for about 20 to 30 minutes. Alright guys, so while we wait for our ribs, we're going to start to roast our chiles, our tomatillos, our piece of onion, and our 2 garlic cloves. So we're just going to let them roast and cook in there, and then we can start working on our salsa. Alright guys, so once our chiles are done, I'm going to take them out. And you can either leave the peeling, you can leave it on or you can take it off. It's up to you on how you want to do it. I'm just going to take it off. So I'm just going to take out the peeling. And then just put it in our blender. So we're going to put our tomatillos in the blender as well with our onion. With the onion and the garlic cloves. So we're also going to add our cilantro. And I'm just adding the leaves. Alright guys, so my camera died in the process of blending my salsa, but all I did was added a half a teaspoon of oregano and 1/4 of a teaspoon of cumin, and of course just a little bit of salt. So that's all I did. I just blended my chiles and everything that we roasted into the blender. So now we're just going to add it into our ribs. So it's been already 30 minutes, so we're gonna take a look at our ribs. And that's what our ribs look like. So it has a little bit of the water and the oil still. So now we're just going to add our salsa. And you can add more water, just, if you want to make it more juicier. But I think for me it's fine because like I said, it still has some water. And that's just gonna mix all together and just mix it all with the ribs. So now you can taste it for salt. In case you need some more salt, you can add it now. It is so good. So I'm just gonna cover them again and let them simmer for about 10 minutes. And then that will be it for our super easy and delicious pork ribs. All right guys, so it's been 10 minutes and our ribs are ready. They are ready to be served. Take that one. Alright guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. So, I normally don't eat this with a fork. I go into it with my tortilla. But the meat is super tender, you guys. It smells delicious. So here it is. It's seriously super delicious. It's so flavorful and like I said, super tender. Delicious. Alrighty guys, and there you have it. Super easy and delicious pork ribs in green salsa. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and just comment down below your thoughts, and if you try this recipe, how is it that you make it. And also, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video.